In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start affiliate on Temu Australia, 2025, step by step. If you're ready to monetize your content by promoting trending products, this walkthrough will take you from landing on the right page to getting your approval email, with practical tips along the way. First, open your browser and head to the official Temu Australia affiliate program page. If you don't have the link handy, go to the Temu homepage, scroll all the way down and look for the affiliate program link in the footer. Make sure your region is set to Australia so the program details and policies you see are accurate for your location. This helps avoid issues later with payouts and eligibility. Next, register an account. You can sign up using your email or connect through a Google or Facebook account. Whichever option you choose, use accurate, up-to-date information because this is what Temu will rely on for verification and payments. If you're using email, create a strong password and keep your login details secure. It's also a good idea to use an email address you actively check, since approval notices and program updates will be sent there. Then fill in your details on the application form. You'll be asked for contact information and the links to your promotional channels. This could be your website, blog, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Share the channels where you actually plan to promote Temu products and aim to showcase relevance. For example, if you talk about gadgets, highlight that and include your best platforms. When possible, mention your niche, audience location, and any engagement numbers you can provide. Clear, honest information helps reviewers understand how you'll add value to the program. After that, review the terms and conditions carefully, then submit your application. Take a moment to read key sections like commission structures, cookie windows, promotional restrictions, and prohibited traffic sources. Understanding these upfront will save you headaches later and help you stay compliant from day one. Now, await approval. Temu typically reviews applications within a few days, and you'll receive a confirmation email if you're accepted. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or promotions folder just in case. While you wait, outline a simple content plan. Think about product categories you'll feature and the type of posts or videos you'll create, so you're ready to start quickly once your dashboard is activated. And that's it. Follow these steps, keep your information accurate, and align your content with the products you want to promote. Once approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard and links so you can start earning.